Hi everyone, I'm preparing to make silhouette PANIKEKE. It's been a long time since I've actually made them. So I have my flour here. I've got my oil going. I got my sugar, and I got the Glabber Girl. My bananas, and which is something that my mom uses often for PANIKEKE, is just a pinch of cinnamon. So I don't know if any of you uses cinnamon for your PANIKEKE, but you know, it actually does taste pretty good. So I guess let's just go ahead and make. Oh, it's doing the same thing. Oh, it's doing the same thing. Weird. Let's try one of my weird pancakes. I mean, I could have easily just added a little bit more flour to it, but but it is cooked inside. That's how it's supposed to be. It might look ugly, but it should taste really freaking delicious. Cooked. I mean, I did a good job. So,
oh, my turn to hold the camera now. Acapella said she's done, so yeah, mommy made some different looking pancakes. She wanted me to stay out of the kitchen while she did it, Why did you happen to make them this way, sweetie, instead of the round balls? You didn't have the ice cream scooper?
Yeah.
Oh, not a big deal.
A little bit too much water, but like I said before, I could easily add more flour to it. But
oh, did you tell
it's
Silhouette
actually
they're done? Because she wants to try some. Silhouette, Mommy's done. Cool. How did they taste?
Cooked through.
Cool. Let me have a little
Oh
bite.
God, it's good. It's good.
I have a little bite. Okay. Yeah, it was good. Oh, it's so wet. Try it, sleepyhead. That pancake? Or pancakey? What do you say? Good job, Mommy. Good job with the video. I can't wait to edit and see everything that you filmed. Love you, sweetie.
Love you. Thank you, everyone. Peace. Oh, damn, my weird pancake.
I'm gonna go look at the other ones now.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and